Meet the DSV A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer, your all-in-one solution for vibrant, fast, and hassle-free textile printing. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the best price. This printer is built for efficiency and convenience, making it perfect for anyone looking to streamline their fabric printing workflow. The XP600 print head is at the core of this powerhouse. It prints A3-sized designs in just 6 minutes, letting you produce up to 10 high-quality transfers every hour. Whether you're working with t-shirts, jeans, or custom footwear, the crisp 2880 by 1440 resolution ensures every print stands out with vivid, precise detail. The 4-inch LED touchscreen simplifies operation, and the upgraded mainboard offers stable, smooth performance with less material waste, ideal for demanding production environments. One of the most impressive features is the built-in white ink circulation and automatic cleaning system. This keeps the print head free from clogs and ensures consistent color output, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Combined with automatic ink suction and a waste ink reset system, your workflow remains uninterrupted and stress-free. The software has also been newly upgraded to be more user-friendly and completely virus-free. It's compatible with Windows systems, providing a secure and easy setup experience. Plus, DSV includes a comprehensive printing package, not just the printer and oven, but also DTF film, cleaning supplies, blank t-shirts, DTF powder, and inks, all backed with detailed operation videos to get you started right away. As a bonus, you'll receive a free 2-year ink and powder supply. Every 2 months, you'll get 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 grams of powder, just cover shipping. That's a game changer for keeping operational costs low while scaling your printing output. DSV's commitment to quality is reflected in their warranty. 2 years on all accessories and 3 months on the print head. Plus, their 24/7 customer support ensures you'll never be left in the dark if a technical issue arises. Packed with premium features and unmatched value, the DSV A3 Plus XP600 is an excellent investment for growing your printing business. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to check out the current best price.